singing the blues on the Suncoast this weekend, and all for a very good cause. It's the 20th annual Giving Hunger the Blues Music Festival, and headliner R.J. Howson is here with a preview in today's Sound of the Suncoast.
Deep down in Florida, you know that sunshine damn near every day. Deep down in Florida, you know the sunshine every day. We're gonna go down to Giving Hunger the Blues. Get down with our friends and play. I believe I'll go way back on down south. I wanna go see some friends of mine. I believe I'll go way back on down south. I wanna go see some friends of mine. 'Cause when we go this time, fellas, I know we're gonna have a real good time.
The Giving Hunger the Blues Music Festival is Sunday, October 30th, with many of our area's best bands outside the Van Wezel. For tickets and info, please visit givinghungertheblues.org.